everyone, I'm Christian. Welcome back. Today we're watching Disney's Tangled. I actually found out researching for this video that it's the most expensive animated movie ever. Wow. It's a story about a girl named Rapunzel. She's a princess with magic hair that can reverse aging and heal. When she's a baby, she's stolen by an evil witch, and the witch takes her to a tower so she can stay young forever. Now, one day, there's a guy named Flynn Rider. He's a thief who steals the royal crown from Rapunzel. So he goes to the tower and then BAM! Rapunzel make a deal. Over the head. He will take her to see the flying lights. Don't know why the witch told her Rapunzel tells him where the crown is. Okay, but blah blah blah. Those characters don't matter. The character that really matters is this guy, Maximus the horse. He's smart, he's funny, he's drama-free. Sounds just like me. Go watch this movie just so you can see him. He's part of the royal guard who's trying to find Flynn to get the crown back. So now let's watch the clip where Maximus finally catches Flynn.
What?
Well, I hope you're here to apologize.
No, no, no! Put me down! Stop it! No! Let me go!
Me? Him?
Stop! Stop! Stop!
Whoa! Easy, boy, easy! Settle down! Whoa! Easy, boy, easy. Easy. That's it. Now sit. Sit.
What?
Now drop the boot. Drop it. Oh, you're such a good boy. Yes, you are. Oh, you all tired from chasing this bad man all over the place?
Excuse me?
Nobody appreciates you, do they? Do they?
Oh, come on. He's a bad horse.
Oh, he's nothing but a big sweetheart. Isn't that right, Maximus?
You've got to be kidding me.
Look, today is kind of the biggest day of my life. And the thing is, I need you not to get him arrested. Just for 24 hours, and then you can chase each other to your heart's content, okay? And it's also my birthday, just so you know.
Well, I hope you're here to apologize.
Alright, which picture best matches hope? The verb hope means wanting something to happen in the future. Flynn says,
Well, I hope you're here to apologize.
because he wants Maximus to say he's sorry for all the trouble he caused Flynn by chasing him. So this is such a useful word that you should definitely know it. All right, question. Which one is not common? The answer is I hope at. So I hope for and I hope that are both common, like I hope for world peace, or I hope that it doesn't rain during our basketball game. You can also leave out the that, Like, I hope it doesn't rain during our basketball game.
No, no, no! Put me down! Stop it! No! Let me go!
All right, question. Match the words to the pictures. Okay, put up and put away mean about the same thing, which is to clean something up. So if you're a parent and your kid leaves Legos like everywhere, then you can say, hey, clean up these Legos now. I said now. Oh, don't make me get up.
Drop it. Oh, you're such a good boy. Yes, you are.
Okay, so which one doesn't fit and why? All right, so such a dumb doesn't work. Something I see a lot of students do is mix up such and so. So you can say, he's such a jerk, or he's such a dumb jerk, but you can't say, he's so jerk. Does that make sense?
He's a bad horse!
Oh, he's nothing but a big sweetheart.
Question. Who should you probably not call sweetheart? The answer is your boss. Now, usually don't call your boss sweetheart, but it depends on the area and the person's age and their relationship, so it might be okay. Usually it's used when you're talking to a woman or a girl, so maybe your daughter or something like that. But I have seen some fathers using it more for their sons lately, so maybe that's something that's changing.
And the thing is, I need you not to get him arrested. Just for 24 hours, and then you can chase each other to your heart's content, okay?
Question. What are the missing words?
Just for 24 hours, and then you can chase each other to your heart's content.
The answer is to your heart's content. Content is a word that's similar in meaning to happy or satisfied. So in this example, Rapunzel's saying they can chase each other as much as they want until they're completely happy. So this is a phrase that you should probably know, to one's heart's content. And that leads us to the end of video challenge. Have fun. What does apologize mean?
Well, I hope you're here to apologize.
What's the best response to the sentence, "Did you do well on your English final?" Which word is not similar to sweetheart? What's the missing word? Which picture best matches to your heart's content? All right, everyone, here are the answers. how did you do? If you like this video, please leave a like. And if you want to keep studying, check out the word list on our website in the video description. See you next time.